Today we delve into Kemper Infinity Insurance, a comprehensive insurance solution tailored to safeguard your assets and loved ones. Kemper Infinity Insurance is a versatile product designed to provide coverage for your home, vehicle, and more, ensuring peace of mind in uncertain times. Throughout this video, we'll take a look at its standout features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and available alternatives. Let's look at Kemper's insurance main features. Comprehensive coverage. Kemper Infinity Insurance offers extensive coverage options, including home insurance, auto insurance, and life insurance to meet diverse needs. Customizable policies. Tailor your insurance policy to suit your specific requirements with flexible coverage options and add-ons. Exceptional customer service. Benefit from dedicated customer support and prompt claims processing, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Digital tools. Access your policy information, file claims, and manage your coverage conveniently through the user-friendly online portal and mobile app. Financial stability. Kemper Infinity Insurance boasts a strong financial standing, providing insurance that claims will be paid promptly and reliably. Discount opportunities. Enjoy various discounts such as bundling multiple policies, safe driving discounts, and loyalty rewards. Kemper Infinity Insurance offers competitive pricing tailored for individual needs, with policies starting as low as $30 per month for auto insurance and $40 per month for home insurance. Kemper provides affordability without compromising on coverage quality. Additionally, the company offers various discounts, including multi-policy discounts and safe driving rewards, further enhancing its valuable proposition compared to competitors. Customers praise Kemper Infinity Insurance for its seamless user experience, citing the intuitive online portal and responsive customer service as standout features. Policyholders appreciate the convenience of managing their policies and filing claims digitally, saving time and effort. Infinity Insurance's pros include its competitive pricing, with policies starting as low as $30 per month. However, customer reviews indicate mixed feedback, with some citing high premiums and mediocre customer service as drawbacks. Despite this, Kemper Property and Casualty Group maintains a solid financial strength rating of A-, which is excellent, from AM Best, providing reassurance regarding claims payout and financial stability. Alternatives to Kemper Infinity Insurance include Progressive, State Farm, and Allstate. Each competitor offers similar coverage options and pricing structures, allowing customers to compare and choose the insurance provider that best fits their needs. In conclusion, Kemper Infinity Insurance stands out as a competitive insurance solution with versatile coverage options, competitive pricing, and exceptional customer service. Whether you're seeking coverage for your home, vehicle, or life, Kemper Infinity Insurance offers peace of mind and financial security. Don't wait any longer to protect what matters most with Kemper Infinity Insurance today. Also, feel free to sign up for Kemper Infinity Insurance through the link in the description to safeguard your future. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insightful tips and reviews, and thank you for watching.